Today we will be learning how to create an animation you just witnessed. First of all, you are going to need a picture of an old newspaper, you can easily Google one, a picture of a newspaper texture, which also is easily found on the internet, and a picture of yourself that you are going to insert into the newspaper. We are going to use DAVINCI Resolve in Photoshop for this tutorial. So let's open DAVINCI Resolve, and in the edit page from Effects Library we are going to drag a fusion composition. We are going to adjust it to whatever length we want. In this example it is 10 seconds. Then make sure that your playhead is over the composition and click on the fusion. Drag in here your newspaper. I already imported it into DAVINCI Resolve. You can drag it directly from a folder. Now we are going to need an image plane 3D camera, in 3D renderer. Connect our media in to the image plane, then 3D camera to image plane to create a merge node. Side note: if you connect your plane directly into the camera, you won't be able to move your camera independently of your image plane. Camera to render 3D and renderer to media out. Click on your camera node and press 1. This way you will be able to see it in the left window. Move your camera away from the newspaper. Adjust its position and rotation to the beginning of the headline, slightly tilted. Now we are going to animate it. Make sure you're at the beginning of the timeline. Click animation keys of Alt translation axis and Y of rotation. Move forward to the desired position and press keys again. Move to the next position and continue doing that until you get the animation you want. Now open keyframes and click on Camera 3D. Select all the keyframes and press F to make your animation smoother. Now we are going to need an old photograph, so open Photoshop. Before this you are going to need a plugin called Nick Collection for Photoshop. Link for the plugin will be in the description. Download it and install, then we will carry on. So, provided you've done all of that, import your photo into Photoshop. Copy the background layer by pressing Ctrl J and convert it into a smart object by clicking the right mouse button and selecting Convert to Smart Object. For some reason in Photoshop 2020, Nick Collection works only with smart objects. Then click Filters, Nick Collection, Color FX Pro. Choose an old photo from the list, and at first it looks ridiculous. You need to change style to number 3. Adjust presented sliders and click OK. Now add hue versus saturation to this layer. Adjust color and increase saturation to make it look older. Now export the image and make its quality low to further sell the effect. Import this photo into DaVinci. Connect it to the out of Media 1 to create a merge node. Using merge node, adjust its position and scale to cover the original photo in the newspaper. Now click on Media in 2 and click on this icon to add a color correct node. Add a little bit of orange and tweak other settings if needed to make it better fit the newspaper. Import a texture and throw it into the Fusion as well. Connect it to the Merge 1 and use New Merge to reposition and scale the texture in order to cover the photo. Now reduce blend to the appropriate level. And basically you are done. You can add sparks and other effects on top of that, or make it negative and gloomy, whatever you like. But the main animation is done. See you in the next one.